How to check your Kohl's cash balance online. Hi everybody. Today we are providing you with some method that we can follow up to check our cash balance online for that. So let's just get started with the video. We can head over to their official website, which is this website right here. Once we are in this website, we can sign in into an account if we're not signed in. After that, at the top, we should be finding an account option. So we can click on it and we can look out for the option called Kohl's Cash or Check Balance, something like that. Let's click on this option. After that, when we head over to this page, we'll be finding a section called Kohl's Reward. So here we can directly find our balance here. We have rewards activity where we can look out for our balance. Right now mine is 0, but you can look out for it. Your available Kohl's cash will be shown. If you have an account, your Kohl's cash is usually stored in your Kohl's wallet automatically. And there you will be seeing your available balance, expiration date, and many saved offers as well. This works both website and on the application. You can just go and check it out. And without even logging in, also you can follow the same process and look out for Kohl's balance and hit enter. After that, you can look out for the official site within there and directly go ahead and find the section where you can enter a Kohl's cash number and then PIN in order to look out for the balance that we have on our Kohl. And if you got Kohl's cash via email, you can also check it directly from that email or check that the expiration date. It only works during a specific redeem period. But this is it, everybody. For now, you can follow this method. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.